Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video, my friends, I'm gonna talk about how you can use social media, especially Instagram, to get girls begging for your... If you are interested in this topic, then this video is for you, my friend.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that.
Okay guys, if you haven't done it yet, then I want you to hit like and subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification bell so you get notified when I'm uploading a new video. Thank you very much for watching, and also please comment your questions that you are having about your dating life that you want me to answer with the hashtag question, and then I can answer all your questions in the next video. So let's get into the topic. So when I first heard about Instagram, that was 2013 in Australia, and my friend, he was showing me his Instagram feed, and yeah, he was just showing me basically all his pictures that he was having on his Instagram, and I thought, what kind of app is this? And he said that it's really cool, that the app is great, and that you can upload your videos and your pictures and everything. And when I started to learn game, when I started to learn how to pick up girls, then I eventually got into Instagram, because it's a great tool. It has a lot of benefits that you can use to show your lifestyle and to show the girl what you are about. Okay guys, so what are the benefits of using Instagram in your game when you are out, when you're meeting girls, and when you're outside meeting people and socializing? So what I want you to do is that you look at Instagram and social media in general as if it is your personal business card. So you can basically show your lifestyle, you can demonstrate what you're about, what you're doing, your hobbies, your friends. You can show that you have social proof, you can show that you have girls in your life, you can show that you have cool dudes in your life, you can show that you're having generally an interesting life, and then it's really easier for people to connect with you. For example, I have this picture of mine where I'm in Bali, Indonesia. Right now I'm in Mexico on my apartment building right in front of the pool. Really nice here. The sun is going down. And yeah, so basically you look at Instagram as if it would be your personal business card. So people can see, people can relate. So I have this picture on my Instagram, I can actually show you, and it's a picture where I am there with my surfboard in Bali, Indonesia. And when other people have been following me on Instagram, then they've seen, oh, you are surfing, and they immediately had something that they can connect with me. So it can be a great tool to build connections really quickly. So why is it good to use Instagram then? Because, for example, if you're having really short conversations, I mean, it's always the best to get the phone number. But if you're having really short conversations with girls, then it's really good if you can just, hey, by the way, I have to go. If you're in a rush, or if she's in a rush, do you want to follow me on Instagram? So you always ask her, hey, do you want to follow me on Instagram? And then what you do is that you can really quickly exchange contact information, and Instagram is also really good with this funny sound in the background. And what you can do is that you exchange information really quickly on Instagram, and also if it was short conversation, then the girl or the dude that you're trying to pick up, they can go home and look at your Instagram feed, scroll through it and see what you're about, and you can demonstrate a great lifestyle. Okay guys, so how exactly can you use Instagram if you want to get to know girls? So there are two ways, all right? The one is the lockdown edition. Then you can use your phone and you can cold message girls. It's actually really easy, because Instagram is a great tool. You can just put hashtags in, hashtags of your city, look for beautiful girls, scroll through your Instagram, and then you can cold message girls, invite them to your house parties or any other occasion that you want. So This is the first option, and the second option is if you're meeting people in person, then it's really easy to just exchange Instagrams, because you can see what other people are doing, because in Instagram, like you probably know, if you're using it, you're having like your story tool, so you can just press here and then there is a picture and a story of what you've been doing, and you can just show people what you're doing today. If you're having good food, if you're having a great lifestyle, if you're doing funny shit, then it's really good for you to just use the story tool to get people to engage with you. For example, if you're doing something cool, if you're posting something funny, then you can actually show what you're up to, people reacting to your story, and then you get into a conversation. Because the conversations online are basically nothing else than the conversation offline. So number one, cold messaging girls, inviting them on your house parties if they see that you're a cool guy, if you're having social proof, if you're having a cool lifestyle. And yeah, then most of the time girls are really up for it. They like it. They like to be invited. It's kind of normal for them to be texted on Instagram, sliding in her DMs, like you say. And most people are just not good at it. So you kind of have to have a really good profile, and you have to show that you're a cool person, that you're a confident person, that you're a charismatic person. And if you're doing that right on Instagram, then it's a great tool to get girls. Yeah, so guys, why Instagram is a great tool? Really quickly explained again. You have the story tool, you have a biography, so you can actually say what you're about. For example, if you're running a business, you just put there what is your business, or what are you doing, or where you are, or what's your location, or what's your interesting hobby, for example. You are just putting in the bio what you want, and you can show what you're about. Then you also have the highlight section where you can show your travels, your lifestyle, your work, what do you do. If you're doing some art, you can put your art there, or whatever, or testimonials from clients, for example, like I have. And then you have your newsfeed. So what I want you to do is that you follow me on Phil Heitlinger on Instagram. I'll also put it down here. So what I want you to do is that you follow me on Phil_Heitlinger on Instagram, and then we'll have a great time. You can follow me, you can see what I'm up to, you can learn from me. And also, like I said, Instagram is a great tool, so you can show girls that you have social proof, that you have other girls in your life if you're having it, and that you can show where you are, what you're doing, if you're doing some great travel trips or whatever. Basically, it's all about showing that you have a great lifestyle. So even have you really, if you have really quick interaction with the girls, if you only talk for her for 1 minute, 2 minutes, and you exchange Instagrams or you follow each other, then she can watch your stories. She can see that you're a trustworthy person, and then maybe one day you can text her, or she's even reacting to her stories, so she's texting you, and then you can go on a date with the girl or with the boy, if you are not into girls. And yeah, so what I want you to do right now is that you apply for my free consultation call, where we find out if and how I can help you on how you can get more confidence, become more charismatic, build up your social media, and especially get to know hot, intelligent, and feminine girls. So what I want you to do right now, apply for a free consultation call on philheitlinger.com here, and apply, fill it out, takes 2 minutes, and then we call you, or someone of my team is calling you, or I'm calling you, and then we're going to see if and how I can help you. It's for free, no strings attached, and we see if you're a good fit for a coaching program, for example. Thank you very much for watching. Comment on the video if you have any questions, and then hit like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. could feel the butterflies multiply every time I meet your eyes. Amplified deep inside once I